If you're into content creation or run a digital business, you might have seen people talk about Whop Clipping Results. It's basically a feature on Whop that shows off customer results, like screenshots, videos, or messages, to help sellers prove their product works. It's meant to build trust and show buyers what they'll actually get. That can be super useful if you're trying to sell courses, tools, or memberships. Real results from real users can really boost sales. But here's the thing. It's not some game changer on its own. If you don't already have happy customers sharing feedback, this feature won't do much for you. So, is it worth using? If you already have social proof and want an easy way to showcase it, yes, it's helpful. But if you're just starting out or don't have real results yet, it's not going to magically fix that. Let me know if you use clipping results on Whop. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.